maganda yan. Binis. Punta ka na. Picturean
Hindi pa nangangalahati. Parang iniihaw na yung mukha ni Benny, oh.
Oo nga.
Ano, video?
Hindi.
Ano, may upuan din eh. Para nakakatayo.
Yes, hello, good morning guys. Once again, this is Cynthia and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those people that should subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe Cynthia's Kitchen. Don't forget to hit the bell button, please share and do comment down below. For today's video, guys, going to Robin Nest Country Park here in Hong Kong. So, pag nag-hike dito kayo guys, kailangan nyo magdala ng enough water kasi mahalayo ang lalakarin ninyo. At meron kayong flashlight for emergency kasi talagang nung nag-hike kami as in talagang malayo talaga tsaka mainit so lagi kaming stop tapos go again kaya ganun so malayo talaga umabot kami dapat supposed to be 5 hours ang hike namin so umabot kami ng 9 hours so good luck sa inyo guys, enjoy watching, God bless you all.
Please hold ahead.
Oo, haba na. Mapagupit na. Ayun. Oo, yan. Ako na nga, galing na ako dito. Oo, dito tayo. Thank you. Bye. Then, papasok dito tayo guys. Mga lola. Lola, oh, sinong may lola dito? Lola.
Ayun, oh, mga katokro pa kayong dun, eh, oh. Bakit pala tumitinda ako dun, eh. Kaya nga, oh. Si Benny ang legit na lola.
Sampaguita. So, pasok tayo dito, guys. Ah, nagbubunsay sila, oh. Nakakalito naman to. Nalilito na ang mundo ko.
Ilang yan, eh.
Alam ko, diretso pa to eh. You pas. This line.
Tapos, hindi na ano natin kanina.
Bantot ah.
Ha?
Bantot. Baho. O di, parang pag dumiretso tayo dito, dito nga rin. Dumiretso tayo dito.
Oh, pero syempre hindi natin ano ba?
Ayan nga.
Yung sama-sama to eh.
Sanga-sanga village.
Ano, hindi natin alam ito.
Ayan guys, dito ako magpapatayo ng building ko.
At nakuha natin yung
Tapos ano naman si Ana dun sa kabila.
hindi tayo dito.
Yan.
Kasi yung mga
Ay, ito yung lote ko.
may umangkin na ba nito? Sabi mo, binoldosan mo din. Ito nagbubulaklakan lang ng ano, ang ganda siguro, no? Sabutan.
So yan. Oo, malapit lang. Pero ang alam ko dyan, pag tinapos mo, mayroong ano yun eh, mayroong mga ispat-ispat na.
Yung pang yun may
Oo.
ano ko.
Pag pupunta ka sa may kuweba, medyo
Hindi tayo babalik dito.
hindi ko lang alam. Yun na oh. Malamang. So malapit na tayo sa starting point. Ah, may baboy damo din dito.
Ay, dito oh, akyat oh. May ribbon. At saka yan yata tayo eh. Pagkisip ka yung tayo muna dyan.
Santoy Village. So, dito tayo guys. Okay lang yan.
Here we have an access road to enter to the Robin's Nest
Oh.
country park. That country trail. So this is the Blue Dogs
Okay.
country trail, and then it's just half of it. It takes you about 2.5 hours, and
Okay.
then you need another 1.5 to finish with
Ah,
the
this
Limahan
one.
country trail.
Okay.
And in the middle, you can go to the mine.
Yeah, mine.
This is an abandoned mine.
Yeah.
And now it's under revitalization. Better not to go because it's all blocked.
Oh, okay.
The project will finish by the end of this year, so next
Okay.
year come again. And then you will arrive at Limahan village,
Okay.
and then you need to walk another access road, the Green Dogs,
Ah,
in order to
green.
catch on the van.
Oh,
I
okay.
would like to remind you, very important, that you see the mark here.
Yeah.
The van will be half an hour per schedule.
Oh, half an
So,
hour.
Yeah, 00 or 30.
Okay. So we just only walk here.
Yes.
Just only walk.
Yeah, the green line.
The
Follow
green line.
line.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
there is a store that can sell you the cold drinks. if you like.
Okay.
Of
Oh.
course, a bit more.
I think
expensive
maybe
than
we
here.
go first here. In
And,
the
yeah, but the most important one is today is rather hot and humid, so
Yes.
you make sure you have enough water, and
Yeah.
it is quite open. It's walking on the ridge.
Okay, okay. So this one is the Xinjin River.
How many hours to walk from here to Limahan?
4 to 5 hours.
5 hours. Oh, okay. Can we finish around 4 o'clock, right? Or early?
So we are now here.
Yes.
So 40 minutes for the green line, and then 2 hours for the blue line, And then 1.5 hours for the yellow line.
Yellow line.
And then another 20 minutes for the green, another
Oh,
green
okay.
line. That's why it's 4 to 5 hours.
So we have... Pero okay na. One leg for the pot. Okay, thank you! Thank you, Cheche! Oy, picture mo tayo dito, oh.
Pakuha tayo ng lahatan.
Na, si Madam Bini talaga. So, let's start the robin nest. Robin nest. 5 hours hike. 5 hours lang yung lakad lang ha, pero wala pa yung kain, wala pa yung daldalan. Okay lang yan. Lakad-lakad pa lang yan. Shit, hindi ko dala yung mga ganyan ko ah.
Ako dinala ko to.
Ang dinala ko, tubig ko. Go!
1 liter lang ang tubig kong dinala ko.
Me too. Plus Coca-Cola.
Hindi pa nangangalahati, parang iniihaw na yung mukha ni Benny, oh.
Oo nga.
At least malilim, okay lang.
Kaya nga. Ay, dapat sana umpisan ko na yung aking pangalan. Wait.
Ano?
Pag nakabit na tayo.
Ay, may ano ba dyan? Patingin nga, yan ba yung makikita natin? Kuweba?
Taran!
Kuweba yung pupuntahan natin?
May kuweba pero sarado daw.
Bago na siya.
Nagbago na, nag-upgrade na dito, be. Saan ba?
So, upisa ka lang. Dito, oh. Yan, oh. Kasi starting na yun. Ay, galing dito yung cycle. Dito, umakyat. Kuha mga na isabay. Ito, ito mo. Hindi nga pa ito. Oh. Ito, dito. Ito. Dito, starting na. Sobra napalit naman ang ano mo.
Hindi, may maliit dyan. Kunin mo.
Ba, may pecha pa. Wow,
Siyempre naman ah.
nag-upgrade
Upgrade na. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Signing off, Cynthia's Kitchen. Bye!